Okay, my beautiful people, I am back, and let me just tell you, the first step to achieving these eyebrows, you have to take a razor and shave them puppies off, okay? Make them disappear, and as you can see, I've already done that. I've got naked brows here, so you need that to work with it. Unless you're a drag queen and you know how to glue your eyebrows down and cover it in makeup, naked brows, step one. So I'm wearing absolutely no makeup right now. Like, I have a total blank face. That's why you can see all my acne, and yeah, it's kind of hard for me to get in front of the camera just totally naked like this, but I'm just doing it for the sake of showing you eyebrows. You know, and you can do this over top of your foundation, whatever you're wearing, it'll be fine. So, first thing I got was this brow kit. It's all about brows. It comes with a couple different shades here, but the most important thing about it is this white gel shade here. It's like a white gel, and it kind of helps product stick to your face. So I just take some of this white gel, and I've already got some red onto it from before, you know, because red is my favorite eyebrow color. And I'm just gonna basically put this all over where my eyebrow is. I use this little brush here, little fine brush. And Jeffree likes it real dramatic, real big, real dramatic. So something like that. And this is just kind of getting the gel on there, and you can see it's already leaving pink, but that's because I used pink already. But so now that you have that, go into any kind of like eyeshadow, makeup palette you have, and choose your color. We're going to choose this bright red color here. I just dab onto it. And since we used that gel, it should just stick right on. Make sure you make it look as straight and smooth as possible. Yeah. Nice and dramatic, and we'll do the same thing for the other one. They don't have to be identical, you know. That one's pretty fierce. If you check it out. I like it like that. I like it nice and fierce. So does Jeffree. Yeah, looks pretty good. One thing I notice with Jeffree is he goes way over the eyebrow bone, like where it would normally sit, just up and over, you know. Just make it dramatic, make it stand out. This one's a little lower, but it kind of makes me look like I'm always giving an eyebrow look, so that's kind of cool too. And once you finished it, just grab some setting powder, and this should help it so it stays on all day and it won't just rub off because you know, your hair moves in your face or something or whatever. So this will stop your eyebrows from falling off, because I hate when I go out and by the end of the night I have no more eyebrows left. It's never a fun time. So yeah guys, that's pretty much how I get my Jeffree Star inspired pink signature eyebrows. If you like this video or helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Sin Kids. You can also check out my personal channel below where I post lots of cool content. So yeah, I'll see you guys around. Peace out.